This video explains about TIN assignment method in AutoCount Accounting 2.2. We have the 5 method. First method is add TIN number manually. First, go to Accounts Receivable and Debtor Maintenance. Then click Add New. Type in customer company name. Next, click on Tax Entity/Tax. Add New. Then key in all the information. Marked with an asterisk are mandatory in fields, meaning they cannot be left empty. You must fill it in before proceeding. Click Save. Then, you can check that the tax entity maintenance has been created successfully. If your customer is not local, you can choose foreign business and also need to fill in the marked with an asterisk. If your customer is individual, your category can select individual. Then, the identity type can select MyCAD or other, and also need to fill in the marked with an asterisk. Then, you can check that the tax entity maintenance has been created successfully. Now I will show the second method, how to retrieve it from AutoCount AIP. The debtor is for those share information to AIP server. First, go to AIR, Debtor Maintenance. Select New to create debtor. Then, type your company name. Click on Get TIN from AIP server. Click on Search to search the TIN number of the company name. Then select the result and click on Add to Tax Entity. Click Save. Then, you can check that the tax entity maintenance has been created successfully. Now I will show the third method, how to send request link to debtor. If you are unable to find them because they haven't shared their information or TIN number with the AIP server, you can send them an invitation to update their details on the AIP server. First, go to AIR, Debtor Maintenance. Then double-click on P-Home Trading. Click Edit. Then click on Get TIN from AIP server to try to search the TIN from AutoCount server. When prompt the error message No record found, you can click on Request Company Tax Information. Click on Get Link. Press Yes to confirm. You can copy the link and send to debtor via email, WhatsApp, etc. When they click, the link will show this form to fill in the information for them. Now I will show the fourth method, how to batch, get TIN from debtors. First, go to AIR, Debtor Maintenance. Click on Find. Click on Search. Then click on Check All. You also can select your customer, and even if it is ticked, it will not be sent again. Click on Batch Get TIN. Click Yes. Click on Generate Request Link and Send. Click Yes. The batch generate request link is successfully. Now I will show the fifth method, how to import TIN from Excel. First, go to File, select Import from Excel. Select Import Tax Entity. Then you can start to import the Excel template. The Excel template you can find at browser. You can go to any browser, search autocountsupport.com. Go to e-invoice, select Guideline and Download. Go to Download, then you can find the Excel template at here. And that's all for method of TIN assignment in AutoCount version 2.2. By following these steps, you're ready to manage invoices efficiently and stay compliant. For more tips, like, share, and subscribe. Need more info? Scan the QR code to join our community group. If you want to buy our product, you can contact 0162-013-628 for inquiries. If you want to ask a question about the system, you can contact 010-3-803-628 for support team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.